In this video, I'll show you how to find a user ID and password in Salesforce. To start, click on link in description to redirect to Salesforce. Click the gear icon and select Setup. This will take you to a new page where you can access various settings and configurations. Next, click the Users tab. This is where you can manage user accounts, roles, and permissions. Once the page loads, click on a user's profile. Look at the URL at the top of the page, you'll see the user ID. This is a unique identifier assigned to each user in your Salesforce. Now, I'll show you how to reset your Salesforce password if you're having trouble logging in. Go to Salesforce by clicking link in description. Navigate to the login page. Click the Forgot Your Password link, enter your Salesforce username, and continue. You'll receive an email with a password reset link. Check your email, click the link, and answer your security question. This is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Create a new password for your Salesforce account, making sure it meets the password requirements. Finally, hit the Change Password button. You'll now be logged into your account and can access all the features and functionality of Salesforce. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content on Salesforce and other related topics. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.